Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is an orange pen. Titled this video on spoken English practice with an orange pen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our spoken English practice session. Today I have something very simple but very useful, an orange pen. Okay, look at this pen. This is a beautiful orange pen. It is small, but easy to carry. Got it? We use the pen to write, to sign documents, or to take notes. Okay? So, repeat after me. This is an orange pen. Okay? Now say this is an orange pen. Excellent. Let's make some sentence together. Okay. I use this pen to write my name. Then I always keep this pen in my pocket. My favorite color is orange. Now let's practice. What is this? This is a orange pen. What color is it? Same answer. It's an orange. তারপরে then what do you do with the pen? With a pen বা with the pen I write with it. Very good. We are improving English day by day. Stay with us. Thank you so much.